to RC Workshop. So today we're at the skate park. I didn't want to bring the Max truck here, but it's Christmas and we've wrapped it up ready for some big jumps. Let's see if we can smash this thing off. I did buy, if you're wondering over why it wrapped up like presents, I entered the best dress car competition at my local club. I got 3rd place. I'll put a picture on there now for you. So anyway, put a video together, stitch it all on together for you to see. See you in a bit. Merry Christmas! Right then guys, so we ain't gonna mess around with this. Let's just try for an instant backflip. See what happens. Ready? Oh! Hey! We brought sticky tape with us. Let's just stick this bad boy back together. I knew that'd happen, right? Let's try sending that box there instead, yeah? Let's try. Right then, try for another little backflip. Try and keep it in one piece this time. Oh. Try again. Oh yeah! Christmas bash, baby! Let's just send it now, I've had enough. A bit of one-handed half-pipe action, let's go! Oh! Boof! Oh! Nasty! Hit that subscribe button, guys. Merry Christmas. Let's carry on recording some footage here to take this thing off. Yeah, that's much better. Double back here. Oh yeah. Right then guys, on 3S Max truck. Let's try for the little tiny smooth backflip. Oh, bad landing there. Gently, gently lurch, gently, gently. Tiny bit, nice, there we go. Tidy. Oh, perfection. Oh, sick. That was tidy, guys. Gently, gently. Nice! Look at that, that's how not to break your car and have fun at the same time. Not just sending it to the moon, actually using it and having fun with it, guys. It ain't only about breaking it, guys. Try and take it home in one piece, feels much better. Nice and close to this jump, guys. Did I miss the landing then? Hopefully not. So tidy. Oh, oh, oh. He's in the half pipe, he's still rolling. Oh, what a session! Half pipe session. What we'll do is red versus orange. You each get 30 seconds. Car lands on its roof, it's an instant fail. 15 seconds in. What's he going to put out the bag? 22 seconds in. Is he going to end on a high? Oh, he's still on his feet as well. Sick. Oh, yeah. End on a high. Oh.
RC Workshop dropping in. 30-second half pipe bash.
Orange versus red.
Same rules apply. Land on your roof, your session's over.
Try and go backwards off it. No. Grind. Oh.
10 seconds left.
10 seconds to send it. Oh shit! Oh, Max truck, still on its feet, nervous. Oh shit! Oh, a bit of a freestyle session. Getting a bit ballsy at this skate park now. Transfer. Oosh, into the water. There we go. Official. Flip to slide over. What is the matter with me right now? I'm nervous.
TRAXXAS TQI system.
Pilot session. Oh, here we go. He's up on the half pipe again. 3S guys. I wish I'd use the box now. Oh, he's going to have to TQI himself right, this bad boy. And again. 50%, so we're on 1.5S. Game, set and match. Let's bring that bad boy in, so look, see if you can sit it on top of this box over here. Get the two maxes together. Gently, gently. Hello. Oh yeah, look at the lineup. Battery trains for the Max truck. These are what I'm running it on, guys. Volts 4000 mAh lipos. 30C, fit quite snugly in there with a little bit of foam and a foam piece on the top. Look at that, that ain't moving nowhere. Let's go. Our first casualty skate park incident. Do you recognise what that is, anybody? That is actually the entire fan throughout this system. There ain't one blade left in there, not one. How crazy is that? That's what you get for landing on your roof, guys, on a skate park. Let's carry on. It's cool anyway. It's going to be amazing if it works out, guys. Loop the loop at the same time, all right? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, nearly. Number 2, guys. 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh. Third attempt on that landing. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah! Double, same side. 3, by the way, one-handed, guys. Let me just say that. 3, 2, 1, go. Woohoo! Attempt just to see if it's all possible, guys. Reverse backflip, all right? 3, 2, 1, go. No chance, no chance, especially not without steering. That's crazy. Ah! Ah, tidy. Burn rubber, boy. Oh, nice. We are running out of daylight, guys. That is ballsy. He didn't even see it. That is ballsy. Just realised that jump he just done off there, he actually went up in reverse and done a flip and landed it. Max truck for the win, I'm telling you. Ow! What a truck, guys. What a truck. That is something else, I'm telling you. What an animal. The shells have come off scratched, but that's about it, guys, honestly. Apart from, oh, the fan and the scratch body shells. That is it, man. What a truck. Tidy. Is this going to be perfection? No way! Oh man! That was awesome, dude. You ain't doing that run again like that. That was perfection. Oh no.
That was a massive hit.
He's going to have to go all freestyle and go and collect it. It ain't happening. Not on 3S.
Not happening.
You got to get it. Go on.
Shit like me's gonna climb that again.
Go on.
Oh,
You might be able...
my Calibra should not be doing this.
Come on, everyone on YouTube's waiting for you to come back down the half pipe.
Great.
Drop in. I'm gonna slow-mo that for you. I'm gonna slow-mo that for you. Right then guys, so we brought the two beasts to the skate park. Had a great time guys, taking these things home in one piece, believe it or not. Anyway, please rate, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Have a great Christmas and New Year. See ya! Gotta love the Maxx truck. I'm telling you what, by far the best truck yet. Check it out. Woo! It's like a cat with 9 lives, I'm telling you.